Welcome to DIY Health Secrets, your channel for natural health, wellness tips, and remedies backed by tradition and science. If you've been battling a stubborn cough, whether it's dry, wet, or just won't let you sleep at night, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful natural remedies that can help you soothe your throat, break down mucus, and get back to feeling your best. These aren't just old wives' tales. We'll explore the science behind each remedy and how you can use them safely and effectively at home. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Number 1. Honey, nature's cough syrup. Honey is one of the oldest and most effective natural remedies for cough. But what makes it so powerful? Honey contains antioxidants, flavonoids, and an enzyme called glucose oxidase, which reduces hydrogen peroxide, a mild antiseptic. When you consume honey, it coats the throat, reducing irritation and calming the cough reflex. Its thick, syrupy texture acts like a natural barrier that protects your throat lining. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey into warm water or herbal tea and drink it 2 to 3 times a day for nighttime coughing. Take it right before bed to help you sleep peacefully. Note, never give honey to children under 1 year old. It can be dangerous for them. Number 2. Ginger, the anti-inflammatory root. Ginger isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse when it comes to healing. This spicy root contains gingerols and showgales, 2 compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. They help relax the airway muscles, reduce throat inflammation, and even fight off infections that can cause coughing. To use it, slice 2 inches of fresh ginger and boil it in 2 cups of water for about 15 minutes. Add a bit of honey and lemon, and drink this soothing tea up to 3 times daily. Number 3. Turmeric milk, the golden healer. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and modern science agrees with its healing powers. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. When combined with warm milk, it soothes the throat and helps calm persistent coughing. To use it, warm a cup of milk, dairy, or plant-based both work, and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption and a little honey for taste. Drink this at night for better sleep and less irritation. Number 4. Steam inhalation. Breathe easy again. Steam is a time-tested method to break up mucus and soothe irritated airways. Adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint enhances the effect. These oils contain compounds like cineol and menthol, which open up the bronchial passages and reduce inflammation. To use it, boil water and pour it into a bowl. Add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. Place a towel over your head, lean over the bowl, and breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. It's incredibly effective, especially before bed or first thing in the morning. Number 5. Salt water gargle. Simple but powerful. Sometimes, the simplest remedies are the most effective. Salt water works by drawing out fluids from inflamed tissues in your throat, reducing swelling and thinning mucus. To use it, mix half a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water. Gargle for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. It's easy, fast, and gives noticeable relief. Number 6. Licorice root tea, natural expectorant. Licorice root isn't just candy. It's a potent herbal remedy. It contains glycyrrhizin, a compound that reduces inflammation and helps expel mucus by acting as a natural expectorant. To use it, steep 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink up to twice daily. Caution: if you have high blood pressure or kidney issues, talk to your doctor before using licorice regularly. Number 7. Marshmallow root, the soothing shield. Marshmallow root is rich in mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and protects the throat lining. It's perfect for dry, irritating coughs that just won't quit. To use it, steep 1 tablespoon of dried marshmallow root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy up to 3 times a day. It's gentle, effective, and especially good for scratchy throats. Number 8. Pineapple juice, the tropical remedy. Pineapple might surprise you as a cough remedy, but it's incredibly effective thanks to bromelain, a natural enzyme that breaks down mucus and reduces inflammation. To use it, drink half a cup of fresh pineapple juice 2 to 3 times daily. Add a teaspoon of honey for even more throat-soothing power. Just make sure the juice is fresh and doesn't have added sugars. Number 9. Thyme tea, herbal lung support. Thyme isn't just for seasoning your food. It's a medicinal herb with strong antimicrobial properties. Its active ingredient, thymol, relaxes the bronchial muscles and helps clear mucus. To use it, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried thyme in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon if you like, and drink 2 to 3 times a day. It's especially helpful for chesty, mucus-heavy coughs. Number 10. Peppermint, cooling and clearing. Peppermint is rich in menthol, which acts as both a throat soother and a natural decongestant. It relaxes throat muscles and helps break down mucus while giving you that cool, refreshing feeling that brings instant relief. To use it, drink peppermint tea 2 to 3 times a day. Or add a few drops of peppermint oil to hot water for steam inhalation, as mentioned earlier. And there you have it. 10 natural remedies to help you conquer that cough and breathe easier again. Whether you prefer the spicy warmth of ginger tea, the soothing comfort of honey, or the tropical power of pineapple juice, there's a remedy here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly health tips. This is DIY Health Secrets. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself.